Alright, let's talk about how to save our file and upload it to Blackboard. If we're in ArchiCAD here, it's best if you're in 3D to return back to 2D. And we're going to go up to File, Save, or we can do Save As. Preferably Save As because it allows us to name it something new and double check our file location here. In this case, we can save it to the desktop. You can really save the file anywhere you want as long as you remember where it is. And it's important that this, down under here, it says Format. It says ArchiCAD Solo Project. It doesn't say, some sort of image file. We want it to say ArchiCAD Solo Project. That's our ArchiCAD file format. There will be instances where we want to save as an ArchiCAD archive project, but in this case, ArchiCAD Solo Project will be fine. I'll give our file a name. Just call it Assignment 1. You can name it anything you want. Just remember where you're saving it to, what the name of the file is, and what its format. Make sure it's double check its format as ArchiCAD Solo Project. I'll click Save. And now up at the top of our bar here it says Assignment 1. So we can see that indeed we've named our file here. Now the next thing we're going to do is go into Blackboard, and there's a bunch of different ways we can find where to upload this. You can go into the calendar or go into the learning modules, say day 2 here, and down at the bottom here, number 10, assignment 1, or most clear of all, you can go right into assignments, click on assignments, and just click on the first assignment here. And this window will pop up, and we could submit text if we wanted to, if you wanted to comment to me on something. But the most important thing is here is Add Attachments. You click Add Attachments. A new window pops up, and we're going to hit My Computer here, and we're going to go to the desktop and find our file here. Let's see here. We got Assignment 1 PLN. We don't want this Assignment 1 PLN LCK. That's a backup file. So we have Assignment 1 PLN here. We say Open. This little thing pops up, and our file is going to be uploaded up into Blackboard. And this is just going to take a second because I'm on DSL, and DSL is pretty slow. And if this right over here is X'd out on your computer, chances are you didn't click Run at the beginning of when you opened up Blackboard. Now there's a couple of messages when you first open up Blackboard, when you're logging into Blackboard, and one of those messages say Run. And that's just sort of a small application which allows your computer to see your computer. The files on your computer, I should say. So we're almost done here. And that's done. And now we see our assignment 1 here, and you can add comments. Like I said, you just click Submit, and Blackboard will kind of take a second here. Notice here it says In Progress Attempt 1. It says, are you sure you want to submit the assignment? You click OK. It says you have submitted your assignment. Now as a teacher, I can go in and I can look in the assignment Dropbox, and I can see that student 1, our demo student, that's me, submitted this exactly at August 23rd, 1:01 p.m. So I can see exactly when you guys submit things. Now going back to your view here, what you guys see is you should be able to go into assignments, and no, you don't have any assignments in here because you've already done them all, or at least the one that we've had, but you can go into Submitted here. And it says Assignment 1, create a simple building, no required. There is this other little thing over here. You can say take submission back to inbox, so that you could edit it, or you could say edit and resubmit your assignment. So there's a little checkbox I can check, and it will allow you guys to do this, to take things back. So if you all of a sudden realize you submitted the wrong one, or I've graded it and given you a C or something, and you want to take it back and add to it and bring your grade up to a B or an A, you can take your assignment back and then resubmit it to me and I can regrade it. That's what this little thing is right over here. So that's about it, and I haven't graded this yet, but it should be graded once I grade it. So that's all.